So I recently got these markers at a random local store. It's like 75 cents US. I know the title says world's cheapest markers. There might not be the world's cheapest markers, but you know, your boy needs that clickbait. But anyways, these are the cheapest markers I've ever tried. Now, just looking at the outlook of this, look at that. Fashion Life, what is that? That's how you know it's cheap. Look at the branding, it's so poor. My favorite, Exquisite Life. And you want to know one interesting thing about this is I couldn't find these online, like nowhere. We have all sorts of colors here. Let's just do that. We have quite a selection of colors here. And if, in case you were wondering how they write, let me just, that's the tip right there. Ooh, I kind of like this. Let's try them in a real drawing. We have 12 colors, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm actually going to be using, like, I don't know, 3 or 2. So these are all the colors right here. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say. So are these 50-cent markers a hidden gem or just too good to be true? If you're as curious as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an artistic experience like this. These budget-friendly markers are about to get put to the test. I'm excited to see how they perform on paper. And what better way to do it than creating not 1, not 2, but 3 captivating portraits. We're going to explore a variety of colors in each portrait, pushing these markers to their limits. For this portrait, I'm going to go with brown and orange. Let's see how these markers handle blending and shading. As I lay down the initial strokes, I'm keeping a close eye on how the ink flows and how these colors interact on paper. With each stroke, I'm evaluating the marker's performance, the precise, the vibrancy, and how they react when laid. It's all about putting these markers through their paces. Portrait number 3 is wrapped up. Stick around as we unveil the final results of these 3 portraits and I share my overall expressions of these budget-friendly markers. Would I consider buying another set? Most likely, yes. And honestly, these are amazing. I love them, and they kind of look like water-based markers rather than alcohol markers. I don't know. Maybe they might be water-based. I don't know. All I know is this was an amazing experience. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. It's you,